Hello, grade 3. How are you today, guys? And today we will be learning about the useful materials. Okay, this is the new lesson for today, and I hope everybody will listen. Okay, and now let's go to 3.2, useful materials. Okay, the useful materials. Do different materials have similar or different physical properties? Okay, let us find out about the physical properties of some types of materials. Metals, wood, rubber, and plastics. Okay, now we can see here the metals. Okay, there are more 70 types of metals. Can you name some of them? Okay, you can. What's this one? What is this? And what is this too? And this one? Okay, this one is the titanium. Okay, is used to make artificial hip joint because of it's strong enough to support the heavy load. Okay, how about this one? The steel is used to make the blade of a knife because it's hard. Okay, and we have here also the, what's this? Okay, some parts of the motorcycle. Okay, that's a bolts like that. Okay, now let's go to the other one, and we have here the thin sheets of metals are flexible and can be made into cans and drums. Okay, so most metals sink in water. Okay, you can try that one. If the, what's this, metals is sinking or can sink. Okay, most metals sink in the water. A metal spoon sink in the water. You can try this one in the water. Okay, just like in our activity. Okay, now let's go to the other one. Plastics are made materials. Okay, there are many different types of plastics. They are made to have different properties for different uses. Some plastics are hard, just like this, the telephone. Okay, this one is the, what's this? Okay, the foam. Okay, some plastics are strong and some are weak, just like this. Okay, it's so weak. Okay, now we have also some plastics are flexible like this. Okay, you can see this one is flexible, and some are not. This one are not. Okay, this one is not flexible, it's so hard. Okay, and this one too, some plastics can float and some cannot. Okay, some plastic cannot float. And now we can see this one, the rubber. Feel a rubber hose. Does it feels hard or soft? Okay, we can see this one too. Bend it. Does it bend easily? Can you tie knots with it? What does this tell about your rubber? Okay, you can pull a rubber band as hard as you can. Does it snap? What does it shows? Okay, you can see the hose over here too. So they are flexible. Okay, now drop an eraser into the container of water. Does it float or sink? You can try this one. From the example above, we have learned that natural rubber is a soft, flexible, and weak materials which sink in the water, just like this. It sink in the water. Okay. However, natural rubber can be mixed with other materials to make it stronger and harder, just like the wheel here. Okay, it's very hard and you know the, so strong. Yeah. These rubber tires are strong enough to support heavy loads. Okay, you just see the track over here, the van that is so heavy, but okay, the rubber can. Okay, so it can carry the heavy loads. That's rubber. Very nice. So let's just see. We have here now, and we have here wooden the wooden. Okay, can a wooden toothpick scratch a metal spoon? This one. Oh, or can an iron nail scratch a piece of wood? You can see this one. Yes. So what does this tells us about the hardness of metals and wood? Wood is strong enough to use for building houses. Okay, and you can see this one, strong enough to use for building houses. Okay, flexible enough to be woven into baskets and able to float on water. So you can see everything that the things uh, are like flexible and it can float and it will sink. Okay, and we have the metals, we have the wood. Okay, you can see that one, all the materials. Okay, so that's all for tonight, all for today, guys. Okay, thank you so much for listening and good luck to you. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.